I'm making the state dessert for all 50 states in America. This is stop number 9 on our tour, and the state is going to be a secret until the end. So let me know in the comments what your guess is for the state that goes with this dessert. Now, this state dessert is, get ready for this one, Jello. According to my research, which I always have right here, in 1845, Peter Cooper patented a method for making gelatin, a tasteless, odorless gelling agent, and it was trademarked. In 1897, Pearl Bixby Waite trademarked the name Jello for a fruit-flavored dessert he made with his wife, May. The original flavors were strawberry, raspberry, orange, and lemon. It would seem that nowhere in the world is Jello as celebrated as the state we are going to keep a secret till the end of the video. The culture in this state is intrinsically tied to Mormon culture, with 62% of the state's population confirmed to be members of the Church of Latter-day Saints. So in turn, the legend is born. Mormons love their Jello, according to my research. I mean, yes, there's boxes of Jello. We're gonna make homemade Jello, which is about as simple as it gets. All you need is fruit juice and unflavored gelatin. Now, when it comes to the fruit juice, use whatever flavor you like. There are so many different juices out there, you can make whatever flavor Jello you want. I'd say probably the benefit to doing this versus buying a box is that this is much less artificial. So if you don't want to be consuming any artificial colors or ingredients, this is a great thing to do because it's really simple. I'm gonna do strawberry because I found this Simply Strawberry juice and I love strawberry Jello. So the measurements will be in the description for what I'm doing here. And of course, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me for the rest of this 50 video series, making all the state desserts in America.
Now, I wasn't joking. This really is as simple as it gets. So whatever fruit juice you choose, you can measure out however much you want. For every 2 cups, you're going to be adding a tablespoon of gelatin. So I'm using 2 cups of this strawberry juice, and I'm reserving 1/4 of it and dissolving 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin, giving it a stir and letting it soften and bloom for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you want to heat the rest of your fruit juice just until it comes to a simmer, and then you're going to add in that bloomed gelatin and just whisk pretty well for another minute or so it's fully dissolved. And then all you have to do is let this chill in the fridge for a few hours until gelled, and you can turn that bowl upside down and it's not going anywhere.
All right, so I don't really know what else can be said. I mean, it's Jello. I do love how most of my research did confirm that this is the state dessert for Utah. I mean, it's Jello. What's not to love? I mean, is it easy to just go to the store and buy a box? Yes. But is it also easy to get creative and make your own flavors, none of which are artificial or have a bunch of coloring added to them or artificial sugars added to them? Also, yes. Plus, honestly, like as an active gym goer like me, to have a fat-free dessert like this, granted there is sugar, but because I used a natural juice, there's not any added sugar, which, I mean, that is really good for a dessert, honestly. So hats off to Jello. I know this isn't much of a recipe, but it is typed out in the description for you. Please give this video a thumbs up because I do rely on your interactions with my content so I can keep growing and continuing to do this amazing stuff for you guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me for the rest of this 50 video series where I make all the state desserts in America. I'll see you guys for the next state.